Hello everyone, this is Dr. Surya. Now we are going to see a problem on fluid property. So the first problem is calculate the specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So whenever a problem is given, you have to write the given data. So what is the given data here? Volume is given. So volume is equal to 1 liter, and you should also note that if a liter is given, whatever the data is given to you, just convert it into meter. So when you are converting liter into meter, it becomes 1 by 1000 meter cube. So 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube, and the other given data is weight. So weight is equal to 7 Newton. Next, what is the formula to be used? So they have asked for specific weight. So the first one is specific weight. So specific weight is equal to weight by volume. So this is the one they have asked. Second one they have asked is density. They have asked for density. Okay, and the third one they have asked for specific gravity. Okay, specific gravity is equal to density of liquid by density of water. Now coming back to the density. So generally we know that density is equal to mass by volume. But if you take in the problem, no data for volume has been given. So what are the other formula we have to use? We have to think that, so specific weight is there. Just recall that we know another formula, that specific weight W is equal to rho G. So from here we can determine the value of density of liquid, that is density is equal to W by G. So this is how we have to derive the formula. Something like that, if the data is not given, so you have to check what are the other data that is given in the problem can be used to work out a problem. So here, because density, the formula for density is mass by volume, the value of mass is not given in the problem. Instead, the value of specific weight, we can easily determine the specific weight. So from the specific weight we can get the value of density. So we are going to do it now. So first one is specific weight. So already this is a solution. So next part is solution. So specific weight is equal to weight by volume. So weight 7 Newton is given and volume is 1 by 1000, which is equal to 7000, and the unit is very important. The unit for weight is Newton and for volume is meter cube. So the second one is density. So density, we have found that from the specific weight W is equal to rho into G. So rho will be equal to W by G. The value for W is 7000 and the value for G is 9.81. So which is equal to 713.5 kg per meter cube. In the previous video itself we have derived it, and the density is nothing but mass by volume. If you take that unit, it is kg per meter cube. You can straight away put that unit. For density, the unit is kg per meter cube. So the next one is specific gravity. So specific gravity, rho liquid by rho water. So rho liquid we have determined as 713.5 and water it is 1000, that is equal to 0.7135. For specific gravity there is no unit. The next problem is calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. So here the given data will be specific gravity. So only the value for specific gravity is given in the problem, which is going to be 0.7. So we have to determine the density, specific weight and weight. So just think of the formula. So what is the formula for specific gravity? So specific solution, I can straight away go to the solution. So specific gravity is nothing but density of liquid divided by density of water. So for me the value of specific gravity is known, density of water is known to me. So from here I can easily calculate the density of liquid. So density of liquid is equal to specific gravity into density of water. So the value for specific gravity is 0.7 and the value for density of water is 1000. So which is equal to, density of liquid is equal to 700. The unit for density is kg per meter cube. So I have calculated the density. Now I have to calculate the specific weight. So we know the formula for specific weight, W is equal to rho into G. So just now we have calculated the value for rho, which is 700, and gravity is 9.81. So which is equal to 700 into 9.81, 6867 Newton per meter cube. And the third one we have asked to find out is weight. So how can we get the value of weight? So there is one more formula for specific weight. Specific weight is equal to weight by volume. So using this formula, my weight will be equal to volume into specific weight. So weight is equal to, volume is given in the problem as 1 by 1000 and specific weight is 6867, which is equal to 6.867 Newton. So where is this 1 by 1000 comes from? Here in the problem they have given that 1 liter of petrol. So which is, my volume will be equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So this is volume of petrol. This is how you have to solve the problem.